Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. This is our 23-liter Panasonic Microwave Convection. Let me tell you all the things related to microwave before use. Inside it will come round glass plate, which will be permanent in this microwave. Then close the door. Whatever we keep, we will keep it in the center. Once you center the material, you will see that we have 3 programs selected: micro power, grill and convection. 3 programs are given. In micro power, you have to heat food in daily routine, reheat food, preheat food. Its option is given here. The option of grilling is related to roasting. And the third option is related to baking. Now you can see how you can use all these programs. Whatever we put in. And we are using micro power. So we will use the glass ball of Borosil that comes for fiber or microwave. As soon as we do micro power start, you will see 3 timings in the microwave: 10 minutes, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Suppose we have to heat food in daily routine, we have to reheat food, we have to preheat food. First one, we will press the button, it starts from 10 minutes. And this timing will be in 10 to 10 plus up to 30 minutes. I hope we have given it a timing of 10 minutes. So after giving 10 minutes timing, we will start it. After starting, you will see that the timing which is there will start going in reverse. If you want to check whether whatever you put inside is getting hot or not, so you can check that item directly by opening the door. After checking, you can close the door and start by pressing the start button. And as soon as you start, it will start in that timing. As soon as the timing is complete, a beep sound will come from the microwave. From that beep sound, it will be known that your timing is complete. Now I stop it in the middle. Now the second timing is related to 1 minute. As soon as you press this button, see that the timing is starting from 1 minute. Continuous pressing of this button will increase the timing. Suppose we have 4 minutes of timing sufficient to heat or reheat or preheat food in our daily routine. You will set the timing of 4 minutes from here and press the start button to start it. And then the timing will reverse. The timing after that is 10 seconds. This program is related to seconds. If you press this second button, the timing will start from the second. In this timing, if you want to roast papad or fry papad, then you will set the timing for 20 seconds and start it by pressing the start button. Then it will start. And you have to check the stuff again whether it is hot or not, otherwise you can check by opening the door. I suppose this was our program related to timing. Now if you have to up and down the through heating capacity of the folder, so this program is related to that. Now press the micro power button. The display shows the indication of high, medium and low. Suppose we use gas at home for cooking, low, medium and high, it works in the same way. So you press the micro power button and set medium low according to your own, and then put the timing from the bottom and start it, it will start. Pay attention. If you ever use micro power, then you should use glass ball or micro safe fiber ball in it. Next program is grill. Whatever you want to roast, it will be through the grill. You can use a microwave grill rack and glass to use the grill. As soon as you press this button, 1 and 2 are visible here. If you want to roast big stuff, then set it in 1. If small items are to be roasted, then they will be set in 2. Suppose set it to 1 and put timing from here and start it. The grill will start as soon as you start the roasting program. In the grill you will use the low rake in the first mode, and in other mode we will use high rake. After that the next program is convection. Now the most important thing is how to preheat the microwave. Preheat means if cake is to be made, then first of all the microwave has to be preheated. As soon as you press the convection button, you will see in the display that 180 degree is visible. To make a general cake, the microwave has to be preheated to 180 degrees. On pressing the convection button, it will appear in direct 180 degree. And you press the start button, it will start. It will preheat in 20 minutes or 18 minutes. It will sound a beep once the preheat is complete. And after that you will set the timing and start by pressing the convection button again by opening the door and keeping the paste inside the cake paste you have made. Pressing the convection button for the first time will preheat the empty microwave, then pressing the convection button again will be for the cake making process. After that the next button is auto defrost. Auto defrost means the stuff we have in the fridge which is not made veg or non-veg. If we want to eliminate the water or moisture of that item, then it will be in auto defrost. As soon as we press the auto defrost button, C1 is showing in the display. If the chicken has big pieces, it will come in 1. After placing the chicken inside, we have to put the weight. After putting the weight, we have to start it. According to the weight, it will automatically set the timing and start. 2 contains small pieces of chicken, 3 contains fish, 4 contains mutton and 5 contains vegetables or fruits. So this is auto defrost option. After that you see all these programs that have been used were manually, they were set one by one. Now the program below is the auto cook menu in the blue dark line. The company has set the timing for the program, we just have to select its mode or select the code and start it. Like see first given express. As soon as you press the express button, see the screen showing 1D1. One number has reheat soup written on it. After that you put the scoop inside and press the start button, it will start in 50 seconds. If you want to convert 1D1 to 1D2, you can up down it with the up down button. After that the next button is the Indian menu. Indian menu starts with number 7. You can see in the screen there is potato and peas in number 7. You have to mix the stuff and put it inside and start it. After that it will start from 13 minutes. Just after 5 to 7 minutes you have to take out the stuff and mix it well and then put the stuff inside and start it. Then your potato peas will be ready. Next button is rice menu. The option is given here in the rice menu. In 19 there is fish pulav and in 20 there is steamed rice. Steamed rice is a very normal option. For steamed rice, we will set 20 with the up down button and as soon as we start, it will automatically take 17 minutes of timing. And will give you rice ready. This is auto cook menu, do not put timing in it. Normally you have to select the code and start. Now you see related to cleanliness, there is a glass plate here. After that, take a bowl, put white vinegar, cut lemon slices and slightly more quantity of water in it. After that keep the bowl inside. We'll start by setting the timing of 20 minutes. The smoke that comes out of it will remove the bad smell and cockroaches will also go away. Then you wipe it with a wet cloth. After that wipe it with a dry cloth. Just you do not have to clean the quota plate, you can clean the rest of the surface. Hope guys you have understood the information given by me, then you like my video.